Alright, hey guys, welcome back to 4Boys Garage. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to burp your heater core or bleed your coolant system on your 2016 Chevy Colorado. Now, as far as I know, I believe this applies through 2015 through 2022 Colorados. Mine's a 3.6 liter V6. Pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this should work on the other motor options. But first things first, the problem I was experiencing was I was losing heat when I was not on the gas, which most of the time is a result of low coolant and or air in your coolant system. So the first step is you're going to want to pull your vehicle up onto a slanted area, as you can see I've already done. Second step is going to be to pop your overflow cap. I take mine off, set it back on, do about a quarter turn, and then you want to come over to your driver's side. We're going to start it up. You're going to want to go over to your climate control, turn your heat to max, turn your fans on, and then you're going to want to turn your blower all the way up to the max. You're going to want to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, let all that air bleed out. And if you're successful, when you come back to your vehicle in about 15 to 20 minutes, you should have hot air. So I'm going to set a timer, come back in 20 minutes, and see if it worked. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. Let's go check and see. Yep. Nice hot heat. Turn these fans down, but yeah. After 20 minutes, you should know if you were successful or not, because you should have really hot heat, which I do now. So finish this off, go back up here, screw this back on, and you should be good to go. Now, if this doesn't fix your problems, you might have a bigger issue. You might have a cracked blend door and or could have very low coolant level. Two of those things. Hopefully you don't have a cracked blend door, because I'm pretty sure that repair is pretty expensive. I believe you have to remove the entire dash just to get to it. And I think GM has a service bulletin out for it, and the repair is like a hose clamp on the shaft, and it's just kind of a ridiculous process. But hope this helps you guys. Remember to like and subscribe.